Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on manage your Google account, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on personal info, click on it here. When you just click on personal info here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So when you just keep going down here, you click here on accessibility, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to high contrast colors, click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us. That's mean high contrast colors enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.